Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change background wallpaper for LENOVO AIO. And to do this, let's click on the Start, open the settings, find personalization, select background, and here you can see all pre-made pictures that you can set as your wallpaper. You can change the fit as well, so fit, stretch, tile, center or span. And there's also background which can be set to picture, so we have all of these pictures right here. Solid colors, so the wallpaper will just change to the one solid color. And slideshow, so we can pick all different images and they will change each time we change it right here. So let's go for 10 minutes and enable shuffle. There's also option to change it to your custom image, so click on the browse and here find the files that you want to set as your wallpaper. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.